Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your meditation practice with Headspace, full guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Headspace app from your preferred app store. Open the app and create an account, or log in if you already have one. Take a moment to explore the welcoming interface. Select the Start Here guide featured on the home screen for beginners. Follow the guided introduction to understand the basics of meditation. Once you're familiar with the platform, choose a meditation type that resonates with you. Explore categories such as stress relief, focus, or sleep. Select a session based on your current mood or goal. Consider starting with a shorter session, around 10 minutes, to gradually build your practice. Find a comfortable and quiet space for your meditation practice. Use headphones to enhance the clarity of the guided sessions. Follow the prompts from the instructor during the session and focus on your breath. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to the guidance. After your session, take a moment to reflect on the experience. Consider journaling about your thoughts and feelings to deepen your practice. Next, explore the courses section for more structured learning. Choose a course that aligns with your interests, like anxiety management or mindfulness. Commit to a daily practice by scheduling meditation times in your calendar. Utilize the progress feature to track your meditation habits and milestones. Engage with community features, if available, to connect with other meditators. Periodically revisit the basics section to reinforce foundational concepts. As you become more comfortable, experiment with longer sessions and different techniques. Incorporate mindful moments throughout your day, using quick meditations or breathing exercises. Lastly, be patient and compassionate with yourself as you enhance your practice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.